Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Lightbot to upgrade some of the libraries got security vulnerability for all your projects on GitHub, even though they are scattered in multiple organizations. Lightbot is a tool we developed for our DevOps pipelines. We evaluate all different DevOps tools, include Jenkins, Traverse CI, and Circle CI, and we realize all of them can only deal with the one and only one repository. When you are building microservices, you might have hundreds or thousands of services scattered in multiple repositories. Sometimes you need to update all the services all together, and you want to build all the services together to ensure one update not break other services, or there are some libraries you update don't break any services. When you do the testing, you need related services to be started at the same time to do the testing, even though they're in the development branch or there's some feature branch. You need to test them all together. So that's why we built this Lightbot. Today, our focus will be just the regular expression replacement in Lightbot. If you look at this screen today, we received a security vulnerability report from GitHub, telling us the JSON library got a security vulnerability for the version we are using. We are using 2.98, and it's recommended to upgrade 2.99. So let's upgrade all the repositories in networknt as well as other organizations for the open source belong to networknt, like the taiji blockchain, whatever. So the first thing we need to do is we need to update. If you haven't done clone the Lightbot to your local and build it, you need to build the Lightbot. So for me, I got a Lightbot cloned into networknt Lightbot directory, and everything is built already. If you haven't even got this set up, you can take a look at the Lightbot tutorial. There is one build the Lightbot, and there is even tutorial regular expression replace. So you can follow this tutorial. Today we just using this chance to give you guys a walkthrough. The first thing we need to do is we need to update the configuration for the Lightbot. So all the configuration for the automation in networknt organization located in this repository called lightconfig test. It's available on the GitHub networknt organization. So within this folder, the configuration file for Lightbot is in this folder, and there is a regular expression replace. What we're going to do is we're going to update the 16x branch, not the 16x branch, 16x release, which is the master branch. So let's take a look at the configuration for regular expression replacement. This basically we specify a workspace so that we can get all the things log check out into the working space, and you can specify a comment. So let's say this upgrade JSON to 2.9.9. And we not skip checkout. We need to check out the latest code. We need to do the replacement, and we want to check in automatically. You can, if you first time using this tool, you might just say this is true, skip check in, so that after the update, you can check, oh, what has been updated, if they are correct or not. Then you can rerun the entire process again and make this false, so that the result will be checked into the GitHub directly. So this is the checkout configuration for all the repositories we're going to work with. So the branch is the master, and this is the list of repositories. You can see most repositories coming from networknt, and some of the repositories coming from taiji-chain. If you see some of the repository like light example 4G, we have hundreds project under light example 4G. They all will be updated at the same time. And this is replace. The replace is based on the regular expression replace. And we have a lot of examples here, like you can just copy paste existing example so that you can do the update. So here we go. We have one example before, like when we upgrade from 295 to 298. So let's do this. Copy this over and uncomment it. This is the previous update. We're gonna comment it. Since we recently support like Gradle build, so we need to support Gradle as well. Instead, Maven only. So let's update from 298 to 299, and here we need this to change the JSON. to 299. Okay, now you can see we are searching the entire folder, like for each repository. Check out above. For the pom.xml or pom.xml rocker.raw. This is from the light code gen, the generation template. And then we replace the version JSON from 298 to 299. For Gradle, this is for Maven. For Gradle, it's searching the Gradle properties, all the Gradle properties, the rocker all. Then we change this same 298 to 299. So let's just save this file, the configuration file, and let's run the build. Now we have this run.sh. The the way Lightbot works is this: you just create your own configuration, and then you run the command line. The Lightbot will just execute whatever like in your configuration for all the steps, all the tasks you defined. It has smaller granular tasks, and you can compose all the tasks together into a bigger task. So now let's just run the run.sh, and let's see how the update is going. You can see now we are just checking out the latest code from master branch for each repository we listed over there. It won't clone the entire repository because we have a local cache already. So it just pull from the remote GitHub. So it's very fast. Once you got all the repository checkout, now we're just doing the regular expression replacement. Upgrade Jackson to 299. Yeah, it's all updated. Now it's trying to push back to the GitHub repository into the master branch. Our master branch is the development branch. Basically, like all the updates go to the master. Imagine like if you have hundreds or thousands services, and there's a new vulnerability reported from somewhere, and you want to update all of them. There's two ways. One is you send email to all the service owners. Okay, you guys need to update your service, upgrade this library to this version, or you have centralized the Lightbot process. Just run the process and send pull requests to each repository. Or even like you can make this fully automated, just update their development branch so that we can trigger the next deployment cycle. With the Lightbot regular expression update, you can run the development build after this to do all the testing, the unit testing, integration test, and after that you can run the release task to release the libraries. Because we have some other development tasks that need to be done, so we are not going to run the build and the release at this moment. Now it's finished. Let's go check out let's refresh this. You can see the vulnerability is gone. So we have the pom.xml updated already. If you look at here, you should see the Jackson is 299. And later on, I'm going to run the development build to do all the unit test and integration test. After that, I can release the next version for the framework as well as all the examples. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.